Build your English foundation. A strong foundation builds strong English. Imagine you want to build a beautiful house. Can you start with the roof? No. Every strong house begins with a strong foundation. Learning English is exactly the same. If your foundation is weak, you will feel confused while speaking. If your foundation is strong, speaking English becomes much easier. In this chapter, you will build the basic foundation that every English learner needs. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that gives a complete meaning. Examples: I am happy. She is a teacher. They play football. We are friends. Every sentence tells us something clearly. The three basic parts of a sentence. Every simple sentence has three important parts. 1. Subject. The subject tells us who or what the sentence is about. Examples: I, you, he, she, we, they, Ali, my sister. 2. Verb. A verb is an action or a state. Examples: eat, read, write, play, go, speak, is, am, are. Without a verb, a sentence is incomplete. 3. Object. The object receives the action. Example: I eat an apple. Subject I, verb eat, object an apple. Another example: she reads a book. Subject she, verb reads a book. The most common sentence pattern. The easiest English sentence follows this pattern: subject plus verb plus object. Examples: I drink water. She watches TV. We learn English. They play cricket. Practice this pattern every day. Start thinking in simple sentences. Don't try to speak long or difficult sentences. Start with easy ones. Examples: I am ready. I feel happy. I need help. I like coffee. I want to learn English. Simple English is powerful English. Today's practice: complete these sentences. I speak English. She likes drink tea. We are students. They play football. He reads a book. Now make 5 sentences about yourself. Quick tip: don't try to sound perfect. Try to sound clear. Confidence grows with practice, not with perfection. Chapter summary. In this chapter, you learn the basic building blocks of English. What a sentence is. Subject, verb, object. The subject plus verb plus object pattern. These are the first bricks of your English foundation. In the next chapter, you will learn how to think in English instead of translating from Hindi, which is one of the biggest secrets to speaking naturally. Like this video if you learned something new. Comment done after practicing. Subscribe to Angrezi Karbete for daily English lessons.